everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium residential project by Goel & Co. Orchid South Park located in Electronic City Phase 2, Bangalore. If you are looking for a spacious home in one of the Bangalore's leading IT hubs and a smart investment with excellent future growth potential, then this project is definitely worth considering. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Orchid South Park is a thoughtfully planned residential community located on Hoskoor Road, Electronic City, Phase 2. Spread across approximately 4 acres, the project offers 300 plus well-designed 2 and 3 BHK apartments built with modern architecture, smart layouts, and a premium specification. Whether you're a working professional, a growing family, or an investor, the project offers the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and a connectivity. Its location in one of the Bangalore's fastest growing IT corridor makes it an excellent choice for both end users and long-term investors. One of the biggest advantages of Orchid South Park is its strategic location. Major IT companies like Infosys and Wipro are just 5 to 7 minutes away, while TCS Electronic City can be reached in around 8 to 10 minutes. Hosur Road is only 5 to 7 minutes away from the project, ensuring smooth connectivity across the city. You will also have easy access to Bomasandra metro station, Neo Mall, all within 10 to 12 minutes away. Overall, the location offers excellent connectivity for work, education, healthcare, and everyday convenience. And when it comes to lifestyle, Orchid South Park offers everything you need for comfortable community living. Residents can enjoy a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, multi-purpose halls, and ample parking. And these thoughtfully planned amenities are designed to promote fitness, recreation, relaxation, and a vibrant community lifestyle for residents of all age groups. The project offers a spacious apartment in two configurations, the 2 BHK apartment starting with a carpet area of 1200 to 1300 square feet with the prices starting from 1.40 crore rupees onwards. Talking about the 3 BHK apartment, so it is starting with a carpet area of 1500 to 1800 square feet, price starting from 1.75 crore rupees onwards. Each apartment is designed with a spacious living areas, efficient layouts, abundant natural light, excellent ventilation, and a premium quality finishes. Also, there are several reasons why Orchid South Park stands out. So it's located in the heart of Electronic City Phase 2, close to major IT companies like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, and Biocon. The project offers spacious homes, premium amenities, excellent road and metro connectivity, strong rental demand from IT professionals, and promising long-term appreciation potential. And all these factors make it a great option for both home buyers and investors. Electronic City Phase 2 continues to be one of the Bangalore's most sought after residential destination, and thanks to its excellent infrastructure, employment opportunities, and a growing social ecosystem with spacious 2 and 3 BHK homes, premium amenities, excellent connectivity, and the trusted legacy of Goel & Co. Orchid South Park offers a wonderful opportunity to own a quality home in one of the city's fastest growing location. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.